This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the PremiereTrade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. The Federal Reserve cut its key interest rate another half point today to 3% as part of a continuing effort to keep the U.S. economy from falling into recession. The Fed left open the possibility of future rate cuts by saying that they will react appropriately to economic conditions. The International Monetary Fund has forecast that the world economy will slow significantly this year, but the U.S. will avoid a recession. Stimulus package being passed through Congress and the White House, along with the Federal Reserve's recent cuts on interest rates, should provide modest boost to U.S. economic growth by the middle of the year, this according to the IMF. The economy nearly stalled in the fourth quarter with a growth rate of just 0.6%. Commerce report on the gross domestic product showed an economy that had deteriorated considerably during the October through December quarter. According to the ADP employment report, employment in the U.S. private sector grew by 130,000 in January. And according to the trade group Mortgage Bankers Association's weekly application survey, mortgage application volume rose 7.5% during the week ended January 25th. Yahoo's financial problems deepened at the end of last year, prompting the slumping internet icon to draw up plans to lay off as many as 1,000 workers. Economic reports scheduled out tomorrow include the initial jobless claims report, employment costs, personal income and spending, Chicago PMI, core PCE price index. In earnings news today, Boeing reports fourth quarter profit rising 4% on higher commercial airplane deliveries and strong growth in defense earnings, beating Wall Street expectations. Kraft Foods said its fourth quarter profit fell 6% due to higher dairy prices and one-time costs. The company also said it expects earnings per share of at least $1.90 for the year. Merck announcing a surge in fourth quarter operating earnings, beating analyst forecasts while sales met expectations. Royal Caribbean Cruise Line's fourth quarter income rose more than 50% to $70.8 million or 33 cents a share. Analysts were looking for 34 cents. Scheduled earnings on Thursday include Google, Procter & Gamble, Sony, CVS, Monster Worldwide, Anheuser-Busch, Elizabeth Arden, Marathon Oil, Goodrich, Imclone Systems, Colgate-Palmolive, and MasterCard, just to name a few of the marquee names. Some of the stocks in the news today. Constellation Energy's fourth quarter net income fell to $258 million or $1.42 a share. Dover Corp. Fourth quarter profit rose 56% to $185.4 million or 94 cents. And Hess fourth quarter net income rising 42% to $510 million or $1.59 a share. And that is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.